everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, it's another beautiful day here in North Carolina. We just had a major thunderstorm roll through. Wasn't here but maybe 30 minutes. Probably dumped about a quarter inch of rain in about 10-15 minutes. A bunch of thunder and lightning, but it's cleared up some now. Still hear a little rumble or two of thunder in the background, but we were expecting that today. They said actually it was going to storm and rain all day, and it didn't. So anyway, thought I might bring you along for just a little bit of the farming funding project that I mentioned in the last video. Like I said, just something to help offset some of the costs here at the farm. So gentleman asked me to do it, and I said I would. So we're going to work on that a little bit today. Might get a couple clips of it here or there, nothing major. So got a couple more stickers in for from some YouTube channels. So I'm going to show you those, and then we'll get started. Okay, first one we got in was Mr. Sven, I believe it is, from Sweden, Making It Happen YouTube channel. He sent me 4 stickers and a very nice letter. I really appreciate that. Go check him out on YouTube. Awesome content, very interesting to say the least. You'll see what I'm talking about when you click onto his channel. But they're having some awful weather there this year. It's just unreal. He just posted a video today, I believe it was, and they still got snow on the ground in the middle of May. So anyway, Sven, thank you very much for that. Came a long ways to get here. I think it took about a month, but I've got the other 3. He sent me 4. I guess due to the fact it was in the mail for so long, the other 3 are kind of stuck to the paper. I've got to work them and get them off a little bit, but we'll get those up in strategic places. And the other one here is the Grumpy Farmer, Dennison Farms, Andy Dennison, Cato, New York. If you haven't checked him out on YouTube, go over there and check him out. If you can see that in the sticker, I'm not sure if I got the censored or the uncensored version there, but Andy tells it like it is, and I really enjoy talking to him and watching his videos and watching the content. No holds barred for sure. Him and Jimmy at Barn Talk do a live stream. I believe it's every other Friday, usually at 7 Eastern Standard Time. I'm not sure if that schedule may be a little off right now due to his planning schedule and whatnot, but if you haven't checked that out, go over there and check the live stream out, and definitely check out the Grumpy Farmer on YouTube. I'm sure all you guys have, but if you hadn't, be sure to. So okay, let's get started. Okay, well, we got it on. Not too bad. I always, I don't know, habit I guess, put 2 or 3 beads on there, build it up, and then grind it back down smooth. Looks more professional that way. But it's got a root pass and 2 other passes and a top pass, so I think we're good on that. So all right, let me get situated and bring you back in just a minute. Okay everybody, I believe we'll wrap this one up. Welded on, everything's good, project's complete. Helped a friend of mine out, put a little extra money in the pocket for some more farming funding. Went well, brought you along for a little bit of it, didn't want to bore you too much with it, get off topic here, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully next video you see with the 1086 going back together. Keep your fingers crossed everything goes well with the injection pump. I got the parts in, that worked out well, so you know, we're gonna see what happens with that. The grass is growing, like I've said many times, out of hand. I've got to get that tractor back going and get down there and do some more bush hogging. So thank you everybody for watching. You know, please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Hit the thumbs up button if you like what you see. Thumbs down, I understand it's not for everybody. You know, share the video, get it out there. Might be somebody else interested in a little bit of this fabrication type work. But and thank you to everybody that's continuing to follow along and support, and all the new subscribers and everything. It just blows my mind, and I really appreciate that. So hopefully we'll get back on the normal stuff and get some of these repair videos wrapped up and everything, get back down in the field. So until next time, thank you.